When the kids are away, the adults will play, and it's adult night at Scott Family Amazeum. Let's get inside and have some fun. I am here with Paul, the marketing manager at Amazeum, and we are here for adult night. Paul, what is adult night?
Oh, what is adult night?
Yes.
Adult night is the most fun a grown-up can have. We've actually been doing adult nights since the museum opened.
Okay.
We kind of revamped them this year so that they were less a big event and more of just a way for creative grown-ups to gather and play and have fun. It is so much fun for a grown-up to have that opportunity to just come out and play. We want to be that place where they can come out and just suspend adulting for a night, come on out for a couple hours, engage in some of the experiences, try some new things, and kind of rekindle that sense of creativity that they had when they were kids.
Right.
Because everybody loves to play. We encourage childlike behavior.
What is the most unique adult experience here tonight?
You know, I think there's a couple tonight.
Okay.
One, I think, is the tech take apart, make apart. The one where you take apart electronics and you see what you can do with them. We have people in there who actually know what those pieces are. And the other one, I think, has to be the name badge soldering. Making a name badge by soldering connections together.
Oh.
You know, it's one of those things that very few people have had any experience with. All of our adult nights give grown-ups a chance to do something that they may not get a chance to do in real life. And I think that alone is one reason for people to come on out and just have a new experience.
Well, do you want to go and check some of these things out and act like a kid?
Absolutely, let's go.
Well, let's go play.
Let's do it.
Let's do this. Sam, how you doing?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Good. Executive director here at Amazeum, and what are you playing with over here?
Well, we're in the middle of our workshop where everything that happens out on the museum floor, we got to get to work in here to make these things happen, to make them work. So we're in the midst of our tooling and our view into our tinkering hub there that lets us know that this stuff is made by people. We're in a design shop. We build stuff. We test it. We pay close attention to how people react to it. But the moment that we can never predict is what happens when a 5-year-old kid plays an exhibit for the first time. Sometimes they do something just wild and out there we never imagined, and it has us going, whoa, that's actually really cool.
You know, if science was as much fun as it is here when I was in school, I probably would have liked it a lot more.
So we hear this a lot. And in fact, we hear a lot of parents say this, that one of the reasons they're excited to bring their kids here is they want to make sure they stay excited in science, that they know that there are other things that happen besides some things that happen in books.
So Northwest Arkansas is growing, lots of stuff. Like this has only been here 4 years. Why is it important to have something like this in Northwest Arkansas?
We know it's important for things like workforce development, help generating the scientists of the future, generating people who are knowledgeable about scientific topics. But also we think it's just a great social experiment to be able to bring in a lot of creative work, a lot of creative people, and see what can kind of come from that.
So adult night happens as well, every couple of months. How did that get started?
Well, we heard, even before we opened the doors, we had adults who were coming in who were saying things like, gosh, I really wish I could go to the Amazeum. We thought we'd merge the idea of getting adults out here and throwing like a party. Let's all get together, let's do it regularly, and let's bring out special experiments, things that we can't always do with kids.
And how has the response been?
It's been fantastic. From Amazeum on the Rocks to now our adult nights, we've had so many different creative experiences, great feedback, and been sold out almost every single time.
And that's what it's all about.
Yeah, it's a place of ideas. It's a place where your curiosity can run rampant, makes you go, either the two faces of the Amazeum we love to see are the whoa, you know, those wild moments, but also, you know, the faces that are perhaps a little less photogenic are the
All right, so what are we doing here?
We're going to do some NASA level electronics. So this is how it works. You have a printed circuit board, or amongst the nerds you can say, PCB.
Okay.
So I have a PCB right here. This is a custom printed circuit board.
I like it.
Tell me which one of those ports is positive and which is negative.
This is positive, this is negative.
Okay, so the top is positive, the bottom is negative.
Right.
Which of those legs do you think is the positive leg?
The longer one?
The longer one, right. Plus is more, right? That's how you remember. So positive
I would not
is the
have guessed
longer leg.
I just guessed.
And you're
100%
brilliant.
guess.
It's a brilliant guess. So turn it around to the front of your board. Okay. Long leg goes to the top, short leg goes to the bottom, positive, negative. Here's this one, and you see that says R1.
Yeah.
So that is your resistor. What looks like a resistor to you? Again, on the first try, you're at it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take the tip of that soldering iron, we're going to put it at the transition of the component to the hole. That's it, and that's it, you're done. That's all it takes.
That was all?
That's a beautiful little solder.
Look at that. It worked. And it's changing color. And now I can clip it on myself. Well, that was a blast, and who knew that being an adult could be so much fun? Love the Amazeum. Bring your family here or just come to adult night every other month.